These are the Thomas and Magic Railroad cookies. How to make them. This is the dog, Mutt. Burnett's granddaughter, Louie. Mr. Conductor, Alec Baldwin. Thomas, the Lost Engine Lady. That evil Oogie Boogie Diesel, 10. And his two sidekicks, Splatter and Dodge. You know, some Thomas characters were not cutouts yet. You can trace them from pictures. If you, by printing them and cut them out, trace them on the dough. When they're done baked, trace on the fondant with markers. Then put icing on, and then the pictures on the cookies. These are the characters. You know, you can make Junior, Patch, and Burnett Stone as well.